Hello my YouTube friends, I again invite you to my gardens. Today I will show you some beautiful blooms, fruit and berries from my garden. This is the very end of September, but I still have a lot of blooms and vegetables and berries to pick. My lilac continues to bloom. More and more blooms appear. Primrose lilac is also in bloom. I am excited to see lilac blooms, but I am concerned. I am concerned because blooms in the fall means less blooms in the spring, and I am not happy about this. Let me introduce a moonflower or datura. It blooms only during one night. This bloom probably will open tonight. This one will probably open tomorrow night. New flowers are developing. In the morning, the flower dies. It's early morning, so afternoon time it will completely close and dies. This flower has already died. Beautiful flower, smells wonderfully, but it's a dangerous plant. When I say dangerous, that means stems, leaves, flowers and seeds are poisonous. This is the larger fig tree, and many figs are growing on that tree. The tree is already higher than me. Another branch. This is the smaller fig tree, and somehow some figs appeared as green and growing as green, but some appear as red ones, so I will watch and see how they develop. This is a small bush of Goji berry. This is a very beneficial plant. The flowers are light purple, and these are the berries, bright orange color. More blooms and more future berries. In my upper flower garden, I would like to feature a few annuals that deserve a place in our garden. One of them is zinnia. Huge bush just for one plant. Very bright blooms, long standing, and they have also a very good vase life. Orange color variety. Another annual that I am trying almost the first time is Evolvos. Bright blue, blooms the whole summer. I believe I underestimated this beautiful annual, so next spring I will try to plant more. It's especially valuable because we really don't have too many flowers that are true blue. Lantana was always one of my favorite annuals because this is just one small plant that I planted in spring, and now it's huge, full of beautiful blooms, and I have a few colors and I will show all of them to you. This variety is pink and yellow, pretty and joyful. And bees just love these flowers. Also, just one plant of white lantana. And the branches are long enough to use them for summer bouquets. This variety is bright pink and yellow. Fantastic combination of colors. Some blooms are completely pink, but some have a lot of yellows. Like little sun, these yellow flowers adorn this variety of lantana. This lantana bush is in fall colors, yellow and orange. Lantanas are annual, but they are perennial by nature, so I will try to overwinter them, and I will share my experience of overwintering them with you. As you know, many herbs produce beautiful flowers. My herb garden is full of flowers, but today I will show you 3 of my fall favorite. This is green shiso, and it produces a lot of flowers and seeds. This spring I had so many volunteers, so I'm not going to plant shiso anymore ever. Black shiso is also started to bloom and will be a beautiful sight. Many basil varieties bloom profusely and beautifully, but I will show you my favorite basil for flowering. This is cardinal variety of basil. It's very tasty, stay fresh, large green foliage. But look at the flowers. Those gorgeous. Another beautiful herb that blooms profusely non-stop until the frost is pineapple sage. In a week or 2 it will be covered in these pretty red bloom. This is another bush of pineapple sage ready to bloom and give me joy for the whole fall. If you like this video, please watch more videos, write comments, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And of course join me for my future videos.